Hello, today I'm going to be walking you through the Whova web app. Now, while we recommend using a phone or tablet during convention so that you can keep your Zoom and Whova accounts separate, this is an option if you do not have access to a mobile device or tablet. You can access Whova on the web. Stay tuned. All right, let's get started by opening our web browser of choice. For me, that's Google Chrome, but it could be Safari or Firefox, really whatever you're most comfortable with and feel comfortable using. So to access convention, you're going to go to whova.com/portal/idea-c_202-104. I know this sounds like a lot. It's really long, but we're going to be posting this on our website, so you can just click from there or copy and paste this. Let's go to the site and you'll see this main page for our homeschool curriculum fair where you can log in. Now, if you haven't created an account yet, we have a whole other video on that, which I recommend watching before this. But if you have, this is where you'll sign in. You can sign up right here, but we're going to sign in for now. So my email and password for my account that I registered with are entered, and I'm going to press sign in. Now, we're in the main page of the Whova web application. Right here you can see our welcome message. It will tell you to download the link if you want to have the mobile app, and you'll see the different categories on the side that are also found in the mobile app. Right now we're on the home page, but we can also visit the agenda right here. You can see the 5 days of convention, the 19th through the 23rd. If you click here, you can navigate to the other dates and sessions as well as view session to learn more about it. Now here you will also have the attendees section. So here you can see all of the attendees. You can scroll through and see who's attending, as well as have the option to send them a message or view their profile. Next up, we're moving on to community. This is a great place to ask questions. You can ask the organizer or connect with other attendees via similar interests. The important place is right here. This is the exhibitor section. This is where you'll find all the exhibitors with their contact information and information about what they can provide. Right here in the message section is where you'll see messages from different people if you're individually messaging them, other moms, contact teachers, and so on. The next section is the resources with our prize leaderboard. One of the contests is the passport contest. Follow these instructions to be entered to win. That's it. Whova Web is very similar to the app. I urge you to watch both videos and see which platform might feel the most comfortable for you. Though we do recommend having a phone or tablet if you're planning to use a personal computer so that you can keep the workshop that you're attending and your Whova app and Whova related activities separate. Thank you.